Kate here with WTI, and if you're in the market for new cooking utensils, then check out this gorgeous 12-piece set from Renexas. They are made of teak. They're so beautifully finished. Now these are all handmade. They have a really gorgeous wood grain throughout them. They've been awesome to use on all of my pans. Now you get such a wide variety of options with this. There's quite a few spatulas and scoops. There's a whisk, there's tongs, there's even a ladle rest. So everything all in one set. They're really easy to clean. I hand wash them. It takes 2 seconds. They're nice and shiny and sealed, so it's really easy to keep clean. Now, not only are these natural, which I really like when I'm cooking, but they're a gorgeous wood grain, so they also complement my kitchen very nicely. They come with hooks and little holes on the ends, so if you do want to hang them, you can. It also comes with its own little ladle container. It is a tad on the smaller side, but you can fit the majority of them in here. So if you're looking for a high quality, beautiful cooking utensil set, I would absolutely recommend this one. I think it's very beautiful and it does the job well, and that's my point of view.